Hello guys, welcome back. Cichlid Tank here. Today I am now on to the lake here near my town, and this is a beautiful lake, and I'm trying to show you the beautiful pictures of that birds which they are living together happily. There are cranes, lots of herons, water ducks, golden head ducks, water hen, uh, cranes, pelicans, different variety of birds available here because winter season is going on here. So they are living together happily, finding the food, and all they are together living happily. Oh, they're scared to something, I guess. Yeah, definitely there is one small dog coming for the water, that's why they flew away. I hope you love this beautiful picture, and do let me know in comment box what kind of local birds you having, and what is your experience about the birds. Please do let me know. And here now there are around 100 or 200 birds, and I'm trying to take picture of them, also trying to video clearly which you can see properly them. Lots of water hen, you can see lots of golden head ducks, cranes, heron, pelicans. Wow, that picture is really amazing. That's why I thought show you that picture and making video about that, because I love nature and I'm always trying to beautiful pictures. I'm always trying to take beautiful pictures of nature. So you can see there are lots of beautiful black waterhead. That is an amazing picture. Do let me know about what kind of a birds you having, and I hope you enjoy that video, my friends. Thanks for your love and support. It's a totally appreciated for me. Thank you. Thanks a lot.